So now we are preparing a snack item with eggs. Remove this. Slice them finely. So now I chopped the egg whites into finely. So now let's add this into this bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of maida. Add breadcrumbs. Finely chopped onions. Ginger garlic paste. Red chili powder. Salt. Coriander. Finely chopped egg whites. Now mix well. Add water. Now let's deep fry. Add oil. Sorry. Already we have prepared all the balls. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm taking the same fried oil. Okay. Add garlic, onions, green chili. Add little bit of curd. Add tomato sauce. Dhania powder, pepper powder, red chili powder, okay. So now let's add our fried balls. Add spring onions.